Hey guys, this is the Epic Gamer back, and you might have seen my nickel plate road caboose review. Well, now you're seeing this train set unboxing video, but now it's time for you to see it run. So here's part 2 in my super epic Hafner train. So, first of all, let's get all the things up here. So, this tank car. Put that on right there. And of course, how can you forget the caboose? Even though they no longer run, they still show lots of glory in model railroading. Come on! Get in there. Yes. No! Okay. So, the engine back here. Okay, as you can see underneath the train, it's not in best condition, but it still runs great. So, see this thing up here? You gotta pull it. So, when you do that, look at this. I don't know if you can see it, but I don't know if you can see this bar thing. Did you see that thing just moved kind of just now? That's what I'm gonna try and show you right now. Watch it when I pull the lever. It goes down, see? See? Take a closer look at it. Even though it's impossible to see, I know, guys, this is going to get so many dislikes. As you can see, it moves. It moves to the side. See? From left and right. So, now oh no, it's stuck on the wind-up. Help! Now that that thing's up, now it's time to wind up. I think you know how a wind-up toy works. This thing goes round and round and round. Almost like a bungee cord type of thing. So, wind up this thing right here. And how about you look at this, this tasteless caboose. And sorry for it's been being a while, because the first video I made on this was about probably two weeks ago. The first part, anyway, was recorded 2 weeks ago, and this one is the second part is being uploaded. What's today's date? I think today's the 21st, May 21st. 2 weeks later, yeah, we had some things going on over here, so I wasn't able to actually record the video, me running it, because I actually had some parts of it, but they weren't really that good type of videos, so I decided not to upload those. So here is your better one. So now that I've winded it up, you push this thing down and it just flies.